ground beef.
Uh-huh.
You want your ground beef, but first you're going to feed your doggy.
Oh, he's a
He's a good boy. Okay, and so then you're going to take...
No. Disgusting. So you about to cook. You pinch a piece, you feed the dog, and I saw that dog's tongue lick your hand. And you just go right back to cooking. You didn't wash your hand, nothing. You went right back to cooking after that. I don't care if you brush that dog's teeth 10 times a day. That's disgusting. You do that, do whatever you want, wash your hands, then go back to cooking. And this is why I keep saying, every time I make these videos, be careful who you eat from, because a lot of these people are nasty. That is nasty.
Your ball of beef,
Uh-huh.
and you're going to put it...
And the food looks
right
disgusting.
here. This is...
That looks disgusting. I don't even know what she's about to make, but it's disgusting. The mere fact that you fed the dog and you went right back to cooking without washing your hands made my stomach sick. That's disgusting right there.